Dr. Nicholas Mercer with uImproved PT. We got Rosie here today. She's a longtime member of uImproved PT, part of our family. And so we wanted to take some time today to learn a little more about you, where you started, how you've been improving, and what that whole process has looked like. So before coming to uImproved PT, what was your problem? What were you struggling with?
Right before, how the pandemic started, I found out that work from home, not have the same, the perfect chair, the perfect desk. So, I started having a lot of, like back pain. So I went to the doctor to, got some MRIs, and came out that I had a two herniated disc, L4 and L5. Was very, very painful, very painful. And so from there, he assigned me for some physical therapy. So I went to those places, and anything seems to, help, but not like really, fix the issue. So I went to chiropractic, and that has been like almost 2 years already, and I finally heard about Dr. Nicholas, and here I am. I feel like already so much improvement since I started coming over here. There was, I think, 2-3 months about it.
Yeah.
And yes, and I started coming in like every week, and then every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. Now we are in a window of 6 weeks. So yeah, so a lot of improvement has been. I feel so much better. I'm able to walking. I like walking in the mornings. I usually do my walk in the mornings.
Well, you have to walk your dog, right?
Exactly. And he's a pup. He got a lot of energy, so he kind of walking fast. But yes, be able to go to the beach and just working out, and I just feel so much better. So I was at the point that I almost went to surgery, but thank you, Lord,
it's feeling a lot better.
A lot better. A lot better.
And so what you were saying was, your physician told you to go to physical therapy, and did they refer you to a specific clinic, or were you just kind of left alone to kind of find out?
They kind of, just let me look, whatever was under the insurance. Yes. Yeah,
so you're looking for something that took your insurance. Exactly. And at that physical therapy clinic, what did those sessions look like?
I felt like, a lot of exercises already out there. You just Google, you find a lot of recommendation things that I could do by myself, at home, and yeah, that's what got me a little frustrated. So so that's why I kind of looking for something like more specific, more like hands-on type of exercise, physical therapy.
Right. And what you're saying is basically what most of the patients here at uImproved PT want is they've been through that, I can do all these exercises on my own. What do I need to come in for, right? And really what it is that hands-on treatment, the evaluation, spending time one-on-one.
Exactly.
Right? Because, you at this point, you know me very well, I know you very well, so we've kind of gotten into this, we're continuing to see improvement, and like you were saying, we started out every week, then every 2 weeks, and you're really taking control of your health and your pain and your issues here. So, and you mentioned that you were worried about surgery, right? Back surgery.
Yeah. Just scary. I'm very, very scary.
Yeah. Because, are there any stories that you've heard from other people about back surgeries?
Absolutely.
Tell me a little bit about that.
I actually had two friends that he actually said that, he felt better before he actually, than after the surgery. So yes, and this other guy, same thing. He went to surgery, And you know, a few months later, you know, he's again lower back pain, because he also had, you know, the same issue that I had. So yes.
Yeah, and that just goes to show, you know, just because an MRI says something, doesn't mean that you need to have surgery to fix that, right? And so tell me a little more about kind of what you're now able to do versus where we started. So you mentioned walking the dog. What about during your work day? What does that look like?
Yes, I work from home, I work remote, and because I feel, you know, I mean, a lot of time, you know, just sitting down, so I, you know, just, you know, I'll do your exercise, that, you know, so, and that has, you know, I'm just like, you know, going to the gym, you know, doing a lot of things that, you know, I was not able to do at all. I just could not, you know, just could not move it. So just
and that's what this is all about, you know, improving how your body moves so that we can improve your entire life, right?
Yes.
So and I want to talk a little bit about, you know, when you first came in, we had that free discovery visit. Were you a little skeptical, not really sure this was going to work? How did you feel before starting?
You know, a lot of things that I do for myself, you know, I do for my heart, and I always knew on my heart that there was something that I had to go for. So that's what I did, you know, and I do not regret. No, you know. Yes.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then what would you say to someone if someone had asked you, you know, hey, I'm having back pain, knee pain, you know, I'm having these issues, and, you know, I talked to Dr. Mercer and I'm just not sure. Someone who's on the fence, someone who is not quite ready to start physical therapy with uImproved PT, what would you say to them?
I think just give it a try, you know, coming in one time, coming the second time, and, you know, I think the time is gonna, you know, it's gonna tell you, you know, whether it's gonna.
Right, because with you especially, you were seeing improvements even after the first.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. You know, right on the, you know, the first, the next, you know, when I woke up, you know, out of the door, I already felt, wow, you know, I will come back, you know, I know, you know, I know my body, you know, and, you know, doctors always say, you know, listen to your body, and that was something that, you know, I was just listening to my body, you know, I knew, you know, I need that, I need it, yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. So, again, Rosie, thank you so much for not only being a patient with us, but, you know, just being a really good friend to the uImproved PT community.
Absolutely.
If you'd like to learn a little more about uImproved PT, or get some free information on how we work with our patients and even on ending some of your pain, go to uimprovedpt.com. There will be a lot of resources there. Please contact us here at uImproved PT. We would be so happy to have a free phone consultation, and just like Rosie did, have a free discovery visit and really figure out, you know, if we're a good fit. Luckily, you and I were a great fit for each other, and it sounds like you're feeling great. Yes, so be like Rosie, put in the work, and you'll be feeling great too.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're doing awesome. Yeah.